Jennifer Lopez, one of the world's biggest celebrities, is now facing arrest warrants after shocking revelations by her ex-husband Ben Affleck during Sean Diddy Combs' explosive trial. The courtroom drama has unraveled decades-old secrets involving alleged gun smuggling, cover-ups, and criminal conspiracies. As Affleck stepped down from the witness stand, jaws dropped, and an international superstar's once glittering reputation is now teetering on the edge of ruin. Jennifer Lopez, affectionately known as J-Lo, is now at the center of an arrest warrant following accusations implicating her in serious crimes linked to Sean Diddy Combs. The warrant was issued due to explosive testimonies, including those from Ben Affleck, uncovering details from a nightclub shooting dating back to 1999. Lopez is accused of acting as a gun mule for Diddy, reportedly carrying and disposing of a weapon during a violent altercation. Authorities and the public alike are now scrutinizing J-Lo's past, especially her sworn statements during the original trial, claiming innocence for herself and Diddy. The mounting suspicion that J-Lo knowingly provided false testimony is forcing law enforcement to reconsider the severity of her involvement. As details emerge, the narrative shifts dramatically from an innocent starlet caught up in a misunderstanding to a key accomplice potentially facing severe legal consequences. In December 1999, a club shooting involving Sean Diddy Combs, J-Lo, and rapper Shyne left multiple people injured, notably Natanya Rubin, who has consistently maintained that Diddy personally shot her in the face. Despite this, J-Lo firmly testified that Diddy was innocent, significantly influencing the trial's outcome. However, recent revelations have cast serious doubts over the accuracy of her testimony. J-Lo and Diddy fled the scene and were quickly apprehended, but both managed to avoid conviction. Rapper Shyne, however, was not as fortunate. Convicted and sentenced to nearly 10 years in prison, Shyne repeatedly stated his innocence and accused Diddy and J-Lo of orchestrating false testimonies. The night that once seemed like a tragic misunderstanding now appears increasingly sinister, raising critical questions about J-Lo's possible complicity in misleading investigators and obstructing justice. For years, rapper Shyne has accused Diddy of betraying him by framing him for the nightclub shooting. Recent courtroom revelations suggest that Jennifer Lopez played an active role in misleading authorities and pinning the crime entirely on Shyne. Witness testimonies and leaked evidence indicate that J-Lo, who originally claimed Diddy had no involvement, might have knowingly lied under oath. Former associates allege that she was complicit in creating false narratives, actively assisting Diddy to ensure Shyne took the fall. Shyne's consistent statements, now supported by Ben Affleck's shocking testimony, paint a chilling picture of celebrity betrayal. If these allegations hold true, Lopez not only faces perjury charges, but also the devastating reality of having played a critical part in ruining an innocent man's life and career. Perhaps one of the most startling allegations came from Jaguar Wright, asserting that J-Lo and Diddy secretly married around the time of the shooting. Wright claims this strategic union ensured J-Lo could not legally be compelled to testify against Diddy. This allegation implies that their marriage was solely a calculated move designed to protect Diddy legally, not a romantic endeavor. If true, this revelation exposes an elaborate cover-up and showcases just how deeply Lopez might have been entrenched in Diddy's affairs. As investigators scrutinize Wright's claims, Lopez's carefully crafted public image stands on shaky ground, threatening to collapse under the weight of this potentially scandalous marital secret. Ben Affleck's testimony brought a new dimension to the case when he revealed FBI-seized videotapes purportedly featuring Lopez engaged in activities directly linked to the 1999 shooting. According to Affleck, these recordings showcased J-Lo handling firearms and actively participating in cover-up operations. His shocking revelations suggest these tapes influenced his decision to separate from Lopez, unable to reconcile this version of her with the public persona he married. Affleck's words struck the courtroom with such force that they have now triggered an avalanche of investigations targeting Lopez directly, leading to her current predicament, facing arrest warrants and severe criminal implications. Testimonies from victims and former insiders reveal even more troubling behavior associated with Diddy's infamous parties. Witnesses allege that Lopez was present during distressing incidents involving severe mistreatment and abuse. Accusations include Lopez witnessing violent and traumatic events, yet remaining silent or actively participating in their cover-up. This sinister portrayal further complicates Lopez's situation, as it suggests her potential complicity in criminal activities extending far beyond the 1999 shooting incident. If proven true, these accusations could cement her involvement in Diddy's darker dealings, drastically altering public perception and possibly leading to further charges. Following Affleck's devastating testimony and the issuing of arrest warrants, Jennifer Lopez appears to have vanished from public life. Speculation is rampant about her whereabouts, with some suggesting she may have fled to a country without extradition to escape possible arrest or subpoena. Her sudden disappearance from the spotlight fuels rumors of guilt or fear of facing justice. Authorities remain tight-lipped, intensifying public curiosity and suspicion, making Lopez's current status a compelling and mysterious chapter in this unfolding drama. With mounting evidence linking Lopez directly to serious crimes, her once illustrious career faces catastrophic consequences. Already, public opinion is turning as shocking testimonies and allegations paint Lopez as deeply involved in sinister acts. If convicted, the legal repercussions would undoubtedly destroy her reputation irreparably. Industry insiders are distancing themselves rapidly, indicating a potential downfall of one of entertainment's brightest stars. The pressing question remains: is Jennifer Lopez a willing accomplice in Diddy's criminal empire, or is she another victim trapped in his dangerous web? Jennifer Lopez's glamorous facade now crumbles under these explosive accusations and revelations. Her involvement with Diddy and shocking allegations from Ben Affleck have thrust her into unprecedented scandal. As investigators close in, the world waits to see if justice catches up to one of Hollywood's most celebrated stars, or if this celebrity drama has even darker turns ahead.